Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Sunrise. It's nice to see it here on Daybreak once again. I was getting pretty lonely without the sun. I wasn't able to use any cameras, but now I can. 37 degrees out here in Helena, much colder in Great Falls. 28 feels like 18 with partly cloudy skies for most of the state right now. First order of business today, lots to get to. High wind warning, two separate ones. One for the Rocky Mountain front and the northern high plains, includes places like Cut Bank all the way down to Augusta and Choteau. Just to the north of Wolf Creek there, highways 287, I-15 included in that. Strong crosswinds expected. Gusts up to 80 miles an hour. And then there's another one for the Lewistown area. Also gusts up to 80 miles an hour expected. This is from 8 a.m. to this morning, so just in about an hour and a half to about 11 o'clock tomorrow night. So today and tomorrow, very windy for north central Montana. We're going to track this out because by this afternoon, already sustained winds of 40 miles an hour for places like Browning and Cut Bank, 20s and 30s for everybody else. But going into tonight, the wind does not decrease. We are still sustained 20 to 30 miles an hour with isolated gusts over 55 miles an hour expected, especially along the Rocky Mountain front with 70 to 80 mile an hour gusts isolated in there. Tomorrow, we'll have a wind shift out of the northwest as a center of low makes its way towards the east. That'll bring snow and wind to a lot of north central Montana, and then the wind dies down going into Wednesday. So here's a look at the radar. Nothing really going on right now, but a hint of snow making its way into the picture into southern Canada. We will see that rain and snow come into our state by this afternoon. Places like Kalispell, Missoula, by early afternoon hours could see a rain-snow mix. As the sun starts to set, we'll see the cold front move through Helena and Great Falls. Some rain associated with that initially turning over into snow. We'll have a bit of a break going into tonight and into early tomorrow. Just some snow showers around in the higher terrain. But as this center of low makes its way towards our east, we'll have wraparound precipitation. And that's when we'll really start to get our snow totals coming up here. Notice pretty much most of the day here on Tuesday, all this blue all over the map, that is going to be snow showers. And we could see our first accumulation here. Actually, we will likely see our first accumulation in Great Falls and Helena tomorrow. So associated with that system, a blizzard warning is in effect for the Rocky Mountain front up to East Glacier all the way down to about Wolf Creek. So a large area here under blizzard-like conditions going into tonight. So don't travel out in that area. Highway 2 over Marias Pass there, I would suggest not going that way. All these winter alerts are going to be in effect for us starting this afternoon, going into all day tomorrow. Several winter weather advisories for the higher terrain of southwest Montana, including some winter storm warnings around the Lewistown and Great Falls area, winter weather advisory for the foothills of the Rocky Mountain front, as well as that blizzard warning out there for the Rocky Mountain front. So how much snow are we talking? Maybe 0 to 2 inches for the Helena Valley. We could see a trace to 3 inches in places like downtown Helena and Great Falls. McDonald Pass 2 to 5, and the higher terrain around Helena 4 to 8 inches. So for the rest of the state, very high concentrations of snow in the Little Belt and the Highwood Mountains, as well as the Rocky Mountain front. Those will likely see the most snow accumulation here. Here's the next 7 days. We'll be in the upper 40s today for our highs, but that snow comes in tonight as well as the wind. We're only going to reach highs of about the 30s tomorrow for Election Day, but the rest of the week looks very nice. Clear skies, 40s and 50s for our highs.